and inviolate rose. Enfold me in my hour of hours, where those who sought thee in the holy sepulchre, or in the wine vat, dwell beyond the stir. And tumult of defeated dreams, and deep among pale eyelids heavy with the sleep, men have named beauty, thy great leaves enfold the ancient beards, the helms of ruby and gold, of the crowned magi and the king whose eyes saw the pierced hands and a rood of elder arise in druid vapor and make the torches dim, till vain frenzy awoke and he died. And him who met found walking among flaming dew by a gray shore where the wind never blew, and lost the world and Emma for a kiss, and him who drove the gods out of their bliss, until 100 moms had flowered red, feasted and wept the borrows of his dead, and the proud dreaming king who flung the crown and sorrow away, and calling bard and clown, dwelt among wine-stained wanderers in deep woods. And him who sold tillage and house and goods, and saw through lands and islands numberless years, until he found, with laughter and with tears, a woman of so shining loveliness that men threshed corn at midnight by a tress, a little stolen tress, I too wait the hour of thy great wind of love or hate. When shall the stars be blown about the sky, like the sparks blown out of a smithy, and I sure